Hi everyone, here I'm again before you with an interesting informative topic that is coordinate geometry of grade 10 CBSE or any state board. As a part of the session, let's have a discussion regarding the introduction of the chapter. So let's not waste our time. Let's step into the session. And like every time, I would like to suggest you all that before we're going to learn anything, so I suggest every time to raise 4 questions to yourself. So let's see the questions. What are those? First one, what? It tells that, so what is the concept you're going to learn about? And whether the topic is new or known to us, the second question. So after revealing the topic name, you should question yourself whether this topic is known to us or it's a new topic to me. Third one, if it is known to us, what we are going to learn in addition to your previous knowledge. And if not, otherwise, if it is new, if it is a new concept, what we are going to learn about it. So now we'll try to get the answer for these 4 questions. And you all can able to see on screen line with marked points on it. So here I'm going to make the line now as number line 0. So we know that the right side of the 0 is going to be the positive integers and it's going to be the left side is going to be negative integer. Done. Now we all know how to mark a number on the number line, how to plot a number. Fine. So if I want to represent 3 on number line, so this is a way that I can represent 3 on number line. If the same case is -4, yeah, so the same way it's going to be like -2 and it is going to be 2. So we all had practiced this thing, how to represent a number on the number line. Even we had practiced how to represent a rational number on number line, a fraction number line. This and all we had practiced in our early classes. So why I'm telling you involving the concept again a number line here? Because our concept is going to be understand with the help of this. You know, so the same number line I have represented in a vertical form. So example, let's take this as a 0. Okay. Now, so the above 0 it's going to be the positive numbers and the below the 0 it's going to be negative numbers as we know. So we know that how to represent numbers on the number line. And let's try to increase our practice here like now. Yeah. Now, both the number lines are intersected at some point 0 here. So there are which we have seen in the last slide, a horizontal one and the vertical one. If I made them intersect at the point 0. Now I can see a different shape here, which is known as Cartesian plane, And let's see what we can do here, how it is going to be useful to us. Let's see that part. And we'll try to understand this concept with a very regular daily routine example. Imagine guys, so I have a good friend and he wants to come to my home on occasion day. Now I need to guide him to my house address. So that's the task now. So what you do, so if you are in my place, what you do actually, don't think that so I'll just make a call to him and I'll just guide him over phone, or I'll suggest him take taxi and come to my home, and I'll just share the WhatsApp location and come to my home. Don't take the silly part, and we'll somewhat try to relate this thing to our subject. Now first I informed him my colony name. As you don't know my house, I just informed a colony name alone. Now think that This is a town, and here in colony 1 I'm staying. Okay, I just informed him my colony name. So my friend started at somewhere and he reached the colony. Now he got a doubt now. He's finding difficulty now because I just informed him a colony name alone. He came to the colony, but after coming here, he can see that there are number of streets: street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4, street 5. Now he got confused. So what to do then? Now he need a much but still more information, and I added the some more to the previous information. Now including with the colony name, I have given a street number. Colony 1, street number 3. Okay. Now he moved little further here. So he came till street 3. Oh, that's good. But still he's finding difficulty to knock my door because he can see that there are number of houses. House number 1, house number 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again he confused because he needs to go every house and to knock the door to find farming. That's not possible at all practically. Yeah. Now he need information more. Now I'm here. Now I mentioned colony name, street number, and house number. Now colony 1, street number 3, house number 4. So he came from here to house number 4. And now this is my house. How can I represent this? Colony 1, street number 3, and house number 4. So we can improvise any n number of examples related to our daily routine here, the concept, guys. And this is called a Cartesian plan, and where we can able to plot a points. Till now we had practiced how to represent a number on the number line. Now we are telling about in a plane. When the two number lines intersected at the point origin O, and it forms 4 quadrants here: quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So you can able to see that the properties are remain same here still. So the right side of the 0 on a horizontal line are the positive, on the left side of the 0 on a horizontal line are negative, and so that above the 0 of a horizontal vertical line are positive, and the below of 0 is or negative. Done. Now, so here with the help of Cartesian plane, we even had practice in grade 9 how to plot a point, how to locate a point in a Cartesian plane, and how to name it. An example, if I mark a point here, yeah, even you can name it. Now I'll come to the point and just I'll write the what is the x coordinate of it, -2, and the y coordinate is also -2. So the point is -2 comma -2. Good. I just am here trying to let you know the concept Cartesian plane, and we'll learn it in detail in the coming slides here, guys. Yeah. Here I'm giving you a clear definition of Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane coordinate system is a coordinate system that specifies each point uniquely in a plane by a set of numerical coordinates. Hope you got understood now. So each point has a unique number of values here, like how we marked 3, 4 and -2, 2. So each point of a coordinates, it has two coordinates x and y. Okay, so here I'd like to stress up some other information regarding that coordinates. The other name we call for x coordinate as abscissa, and the other name of y coordinate we call it as ordinate. That, and you can see the definition still, which are signed distances to the point from two fixed perpendicular oriented lines. So there are two perpendicular intersected lines are there. Two number lines are intersected at the origin O and measured in the same unit of length. So you can see the distance between each unit is same over there. And it gives you a brief definition part of Cartesian plane. And now actually our concept is what? Coordinate geometry. So this is a chapter what we are going to learn about here. The first question is revealed. What? So the title is coordinate geometry. Even second question, whether it is new or known to us, it's already known to us. We had practice in grade 9 even. So then what we are going to learn in addition to our previous knowledge. So you should discuss now about the previous knowledge what we had. Let's try to recall. So last year we had practiced in this chapter how to plot a points, how to name the points. That's all. A very simple concept we had discussed. We had in grade 9 introduction of Cartesian plane, in that how to plot a points and how to name the points. That's all. Now then what you are going to learn in addition to that, and this is a definition of coordinate geometry, guys, and have a look and observe it detail. Coordinate geometry is also called as analytic geometry or a Cartesian geometry, and it is the study of geometry using a coordinate system. And where it is used, analytic geometry is used in physics and engineering, and also in aviation, rocketry, space sciences, and space flights. Guys, yeah, this is about a definition and the application of coordinate geometry. Now we actually step into our topic, coordinate geometry. So we know something information about a coordinate geometry now, and let's see that what are all the concepts we are going to learn in addition to our previous knowledge. I'll just try to tell the titles first and we'll check it in detail individually. Introduction of coordinate geometry. So that's what we had till now. Distance formula. I'll explain you what is a distance and what another topic is section formula, and the last one is area of triangle. So what is this distance formula, section formula, area of triangle? Let's see that. Now, again, I'm with the same diagram, guys. What I explained you in the last slide with the same graph, representing points. Okay. Now, think that there are 2 points in a Cartesian plane. One is A, other one is B. We know how to plot them. If I give a point 1, 4, that is A itself. If I give a 4, 1, that is B. So we know this. Then what we need to do now, the task is, if I join AB now, then what is the length of AB? And what I mean to say here, what is the distance between AB? Here we need a concept. We need some concept that we are going to learn in the first concept, distance formula. There we have a derivation and a formula of it that we'll see in a further. Now, okay, guys. So that is a first topic. So distance formula is nothing but if you join 2 points in a Cartesian plane, the distance between both the points is going to be calculated with the help of distance formula. Then what is the other concept? Now, because of some point, like, somewhere you have a point here. Okay. So, okay, just a line is not straight, but assume it is straight. A and B. Here, because of some point, assume this is as P. Because of point P, the line AB has divided into 2 sections here. So this is the first section and this is the another section. Now the task is, what is the point P and at what ratio it has divided the AB? like so P, we are going to find the coordinates of P, and the ratio we take naturally M1 M2. So this concept is all about second concept of the chapter, section formula. Because of a point P, a line joining 2 points A comma B is internally divided into the ratio M1 and M2. Now with the help of that concept section formula, we can able to find what is the point P and what ratio it has divided. So this is all about a second topic of this chapter. Here I'm just trying to give the meaning of the concepts only. I'm not I'm not involved in the concept here. Now see here guys, and there are 3 points A, B, C. If there are 3 points A, B and C, join the points AB, AC and AB, AC and BC. Now you can see a triangle formed here. Is that right? Now the concept is, the topic is here. If I join 3 points in a plane so formed a triangle, then what is the area of the triangle? So we know that the area of triangle till now is a half into base into height, or a Heron's formula, root s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. But here we are with a new concept, how to find area of triangle in a plane. Okay, so this is the third concept of the chapter, area of triangle. So what I'm trying to let you know here, in total we have 3 concepts in this chapter. So in the first concept, we are going to find the distance between 2 points in a Cartesian plane. And the second topic, so if there is a line already by joining 2 points, and because of some other point P, the line has internally divided into a particular ratio into some sections. So with the help of section formula, we are going to find the point coordinates of point P and the ratio M1 and M2. And the last concept of the chapter is area of triangle. If we join 3 points in a Cartesian plane and it forms a triangle here, then with the help of area of triangle formula, we are going to find area of triangle of that particular triangle. Yeah. So the formula and the derivations that we discuss in the next video, what we are going to do and how we are going to get the formula. So keep watching guys and follow my videos, and if you like the video, please subscribe, and thank you.